Before I catch it, it's as though the ball were already in my hand. I'm set to shoot. Boom. Here's how I shoot, right? I'm set to shoot. Okay? Now, the pass is going to hit my shooting hand. Put it right in my shooting hand. Boom. What did I do right there? Anybody see anything? I jumped slightly to the left because the pass was off slightly to the left. Big, major point. Okay? Pass it again. Slightly to the left. It was only off a little. Okay? What do most people do? Pass it to my left, Scott. They reach and pull it in. Or worse, they reach and try to shoot it from there. Just throw a couple of bad ones. Boom. I didn't get there. I can fake before I shoot it. Okay? I cheated that a little bit. I didn't quite get there, but I cheated it. I felt I'm okay. I shoot. You got it? This is, if I didn't quite get there, I can cheat it in. I throw me a low one. I go down for it. I go down lower, and now I'm up. If I don't like it, I fake to get myself in rhythm. We call this rhythm and range. Hands and feet ready. It's catch now. Just before I catch it, the knees lower. Remember I talked about rhythm, down and up? So the knees lower just before the catch. Down and up. If the ball is low, it can be blocked. Plus, there's more chance for error. From here to here, you may have your hand out of position. Put the ball high, less chance for block, less chance for error. Your hand's set. You get it off quicker. So we're going to catch it high. The knees bend just before the catch. It hits the hand, it's up. Down and up. Hands and feet ready. Stop. 1 second. Jump down. You got it? Get down on it. Hands up. Great. Great.